So consider two scenarios of yourself, okay? As we live life, we're getting to know ourselves more and more and more. Real-time basis, yeah? Or we find ourselves getting to know more and more of our fears. Marriage, this is the fear. Being a mom, that's the fear. Having friends, that's the fear. Work, this is the fear. Looking at myself, that's the fear. Age, that's the fear. Basically, everything equals to a fear. Have you ever said that to yourself? Have you? No? You have? You want an important question that is, Think about it, okay? If you have one fear associated with every knowing of yours, what did you get to know of yourself? You know what a big thing that is? Why are you afraid of life?